welcome back to my channel, Reasons with China. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, and families. Enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to other new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And to other nice, good people, them who always stop by and drop a like. You understand? I support the thing and make a girl feel good. Boots up a girl. Yeah, big up to honor, respect, honor, enough love. In a done this, in a done right this. My want say big shout out to all of the people them who subscribe to the channel. You understand? All of who come out and subscribe to the channel, on interact in the comment section, on a like up, on a share up, on a do the thing. Hey, big up to honor, big up to honor. Thank you so much for 8K subscribers. This wouldn't be possible without you all guys. So enough love. Me can't tell you how much I appreciate, you know. Only bag of love, and respect to each and everyone I know. Continue to support the channel. Bless upon yourself. Yes, now. So, me could get down in the things them now. All right. And ready up. Me could go down in the galang men. So, yes, now. Down into the meat of the matter. All right. So, today I'm me alone. No Agnes not there. You understand? No Agnes not there because. I not even like talk about that little old sibling man there. I don't like talk about that little old sibling man there where drop and feel a dried prune. My some loves from come out of YouTube jail me and Agnes, you know, from them fling and cuff pan we over YouTube this. So the man no one Agnes gone nowhere with me again. Him no one Agnes gone nowhere with me. Him just have the little old man lock her down in the house, my love. We have to hide and go to the people them yard. So now we have to stick to the news. You understand? We can't go to the people them and go see the tour them first and we have to watch news. That's why I don't like the man. I do not like him. So poor Agnes now have to wait till him gone a ground. You understand me? And I touch the road and so. But now we're dear children, him soon kick bucket. And you see, as soon as him kick the bucket, and me and Agnes that again like a Bonnie and Clyde, my love. Yeah, even the church people them, you know, my love, even the church people them have put up Agnes against me. Them say a 4 time now Agnes not do no communion all because I mean, tell me if the church people them not wicked, my love. Tell me if the church people them not wicked. 4 time Agnes not get to do no communion and Agnes still there backbench because I mean, my loves, uno talk the truth where Jesus himself love. My love, uno ever see me put Agnes in a no farmer arms way? My love, uno ever see me put Agnes in a no farmer arms way, my love. Me don't always look out for Agnes. Me I go foreign, me care Agnes. Everywhere me I go Agnes the back of me, my love. We go and Mr. Zuckerberg yard together. Anything planka shop I keep a big foreign and me and Agnes together forever to the end like a Chucky. And then I make it look like I say, me don't mean Agnes no good. My loves, uno talk the truth, man, talk the truth. Uno no say. Without Agnes, there is no me, and without me, there is no Agnes. I always look out for Agnes. I always look out for her. Don't it, my love? So, I'm glad my having was witness. Anyways, now, I could get down into the meat of the matter. You understand? So, my dear children, I know news time yet, but I saw news time, but I could go and chat a little bit till a news time. You understand? So, my dear children, must say, I never see smoke without fire. Me never see smoke without fire. You know, remember the other day when me and Agnes get locked on our YouTube fling and handcuff power with my love? You know, remember? I remember I said that same video that when they do when the woman come over my yard, come under my comment section, I type up her out of hardness, my love, and I have to answer her in the comment section. And my loves has me tell no bumps half of me answer them shortly. It was no coincidence, my love, no dog incidents, no goat incidents, no fowl incidents, no puss incidents, no farmer incidents, my love. Cause say shortly after her respond to the woman, my love, Bamson. Me see YouTube send me same thing, my dear children. I flag and handcuff by me and Agnes just like I saw. Just like that, my love. So, you remember now, say, in that video there, what me did do? Me did a talk about her travel vlog, something where she said she did a go do. You remember? And she did talk about something in that closet, like I said, she ain't go start sell clothes or something. You remember, my love? Hey, my loves, as I say, I never see smoke without fire. After me do that video that you know, my love, somebody come into the comment section and pinch me and tell me, say, that I follow the Mr. Majesty man because say the Mr. Majesty man first did come out and say him do travel vlogs, yes, come out and say him a go start the travel vlogs. And she pick up, like I say, as she come up with the idea. Me hear she a talk now, come over here, come chat her and tell you how she come over here, come fasten with me. Only if you find out now, say she's a falla fashion monkey can't go country. And they have one another one where say falla fashion monkey can boil a good soup. Yes, my love. Obviously, say you know what, she no got no mind of fear one. Somebody have to come up with an idea and then she thief it. You understand? She can't set no trend. She have to follow trend. And even if she do try to set a trend, nobody no follow fear trend and fear trend no go nowhere. Then me loves know. As I was saying, I never see some work without fire. For no me see it for myself now say. The Mr. Majesty man now I do travel vlogs fit true. Me say me loves I tell you about them, you say I tell you about them. Love a competition and know say them not in a no position for compete with nobody. Ah, look how me did feel so good for the woman, me love. Me did feel so good for her enough for me. I say at least now you know she a go lego the social media bagaments and I do something beautiful and never know say I no fear idea. You understand me love? Never know say I no fear idea. You know. No, me love. Half lately now we never see her in a no kitchen. I do not bake or anything like that. So you know she when I do different nether thing. You understand? After the woman come out now that the lady down at town. She come out now and say she go start do pudding for Mother's Day thing. All of a sudden we say pudding pads. Me loves all of a sudden we say pudding pads. You know how long we not see no pudding pads? When last we not see pudding pads, me love? Eh? I tell you know. I tell you know. And where's my love now? Now they need that Cinti when me I got talk about. They need that Cinti now, my loves. And me alone I pay attention to her of lately when she come out and she had do her video them now, my dear children, how she had tried behave like I say she decentish. You know I pay attention. Hey, loves. You know I pay attention. You do not realize say. You do not see the old variable attitude more so again. One of that thing the woman notice now, you know, maybe her children. It's like I said, now when she come out, you know, and she attack about one specific topic, you see? She no tap and tap, stretch out the topic, you know, maybe her children, stretchy, galang, so till she stray gone, where down into memory lane, now, you know, my love, I start bring up all kind of thing with Lady D, and I interpret it for our own way, you know, and I try to put it across in a bad way if make it look like I said the woman is this type of smarty. You know, pay attention, my love, you know, pay close attention, you know, pay attention, you know. Pay attention. Since the woman make that announcement, they're working very hard. They're working overtime. They're going harder and harder and harder. Why, Jesus? What a day when the rice can swell. The woman claims that she's so bright and intelligent. You understand me, my dear children? Yet all when they sitting them in a them yai plain as dear. Them still come out here come make a big old jackass have themself and try every means possible. We put it off, we put it out into a negative light. All when the woman come out transparent and plain as the day. Then come like I said, they not have no sense of understanding. Them not have no eye for them can't see. They not have no ears for them can't hear. And come out with this whole heap of liar story. Whole heap of liar story. Just to make it look like I said, them are the good guy and people out here pick problems with them. For sometimes me have to really sit down and wonder. Sometimes they take me for fool to you know me dear children. Sometimes me have to wonder if me a idiot. Because in some more time they come out and when they say things, me have to say no man, it look like I say. When them do something, them they no member. And so me I say, you know me dear children and I make excuse for them. I say no man, when they do the same thing, them they do a member. So make me at least try to see with them. But me dear children then do it for more than one occasion, more than two occasions, then do it for many half occasions. So then damn well I remember. You know, so all right now with the Tory have this stranger we left all the way from foreign come show up into Planka shop the other day. We can not no pass fear, yeah, you know, my love. The same woman where we are talking about not no pass fear, yeah. If she not come out today, if she not come out when he had trust and believe she is coming out. Or when it's a week later, a month later, or a year later, she is coming out. But guess what? You see, when she not come out right away, she have a special time when she come out. I don't know the special time when she come out. When she doing promotion.
When she doing the promotion, I wonder if you don't pay attention to that woman, my love. I wonder if I me alone I study that woman. When she doing promotion, remember you know from couple days well the woman they show up at 99, you know my loves. From couple days well, and she just decides that she if come out when she decide to start advertise putting pads for Mother's Day. Mother children she come out and she a go on like I say she a try to keep it professionalish. Eh? My loves. Uno a notice? Uno remember how she used to scream out the woman name down in her throat hole, my love? How to tear up her esophagus? Uno remember? When she used to come out here about Donna Donna, and all them holy pa derogatory name they were them give to her. Oh no, realize that she not do them something there again. I wonder if you know a people out and no left here and see what galag. But you're children now. So me, I wonder to myself, no, you know how because and say we realize say I just have lately, you know. When the woman contacts say she soon land hop into the big foreign deer, hop her uncles and place into the big apple. Yes, my love. Missy say she advertise some thing. You remember the thing where she did come out and advertise say she in a go with our products them or something and the 13 lady when come out come say she stop her food. Well if you like I say the food nobody stop my up because me say she a post her galang. So me no know if she a try, you understand? To make things look pretty and look nice on her side. And she a try to make it look like I say she's this wonderful individual. You understand me, my loves? Her. Remember say right after the lady did come say she soon land up into the big foreign there, you know, me dear children. She went come out say she had go report the woman because say she have fear for her life, she have to watch her back. So me no know if my cousin say she went go make the report now, you know, me dear children. She a put up things on her social media platform to make it look like I say she a no troublemaker. She just come out con the regular blogging like everybody else who do regular blogging. You understand? She a try to, put her thing across to make it look like I say, oh no, what me a talk about? I wonder if you don't understand what me I say. In here that me I say. For when she do them the kind of video that you know, me love, when she come out and go on like I say, she decentish. She no delete them the video there. Them the video that them no delete. Them is there to stay. So me not do if I proof she want. I don't know if I have proof. Say yes, I'm a good smarty. But what them fear to understand is that say them remember say the internet have memory loss problems. The internet now have amnesia. The internet now suffer with dementia or Alzheimer's or any form of them disease there. No. Everything stays same place on the internet there. Everything we put on the internet, it on same place there. He might not turn exactly which part you put it, and he might get a hand all over about the place, but it is still there. It is still there. So it no matter how you come out, my love, and I try to portray yourself to be this type of, individual, the past is still there, my love. It's not erased. You understand? It is not erased. Hey. My loves, all in our mind, my dear children, all in our mind, we don't know where she do, All in our fear, little mind, we don't know what she do, For I don't know if I'm here, Agnes alone, I pay attention to all of them something here with her now, my love. And all of this now, since the woman come out and announce, say, she will be into the big foreign soon in a Mr. Uncle Sam place, my love. Once the season come up, my love, once the season come up, any which apart the Tory day, she got resurrect and carry come back, yeah. And we know, no have to guess a spell where she a go, so, With this woman where show up on 99 the other day, we know have to guess and spell. Where she a go say when she come put for her 2 cents to it because guess what? Them are oppositions, so them are gonna do what oppositions do. As always, my love, them are go oppose. All when it's 99% good. I need a microscope or a magnifying glass for say the 1% negative. Me trust and believe them I go find it. Trust and believe them I go dig up here any which party the hand can come out here to the public. The man go see the whole heap of good, my love. The man go see the 99% and the 1% them all say, And of course, remember say every day them come out here and say how them brilliant. You understand them are the brightest smarty them in the world. You understand the most intelligent and intellectual smarty them in the world. Everybody else are done sees them alone bright. You understand, mama loves. But for them level of brightness, you understand, for them level of brilliance. It surprised me from time to time. More time it surprised me because it look like I say, for them bright ship, come with critical thinking, come with reasoning ability, no little skill, no little nothing at all. I just so bright so. You understand? He puzzle me, man. He puzzle me. For now, this strange woman pop up in the woman yard, pan the woman private property. Right? We a lot of persons that say, a mental issues. Some of them must say she had developed early stage Alzheimer's. Some have say dementia, all kind of something. But no, not because and say the lady the D her in front of her name means say she's a medical doctor. You understand me? She never go nowhere if go train how to diagnose nobody. She can't look past somebody and go diagnose the somebody and tell the somebody say, she not so good in the head part. She can't this go look on the woman and say the woman have mental issues. The woman come well dressed. When I go say, she probably not have some mental issues or she not suffer from some kind of illness or whatever. We not go say that for we don't know. But at the same time, based on everything that is going on out here on social media with Lady D, a whole heap of somebody out here not take tea with her. A whole heap of somebody out here want do things to her. A whole heap of somebody want to see she go down 6'6". You understand? And for she their yard, and somebody just pop up in her yard, just show up so uninvited and what is woman. And then you go here now say she a come all the way from foreign. What other thing could I go through the woman head now? What other thing could I go through the woman head? Uno talk. Uno do in the woman shoes, so uno not gonna know. People like people like Uno, why the lady have in her yard and feel so when people come up her yard. People like Uno because Uno can't be trusted. I don't know we do things. I don't know we go to any ends of the earth. I don't go to any levels. You understand? For do things to the woman. So Uno make she have fear guess and spell when people come her yard. The same way Uno say she have mental issues or she suffer from dementia are the same way. She could have got a woman yard in a disguise. I'm not saying that's what happened. But me just I said the same thing could have happened. Go to the woman yard under this guys pretend say she have mental issues and do things to the woman. Uno not look pan that the side there. Uno not looking pan that the side there. But me are looking at every little crevice and corner. You have whole heap of good actors and actresses out there who can play the role of a mental smarty very, 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 very well, my love. So the lady do the right thing. Put it in the hands are the right people then. Make them come question. Make them come do them investigation and see if the woman have mental issues for true. And find out the real reason why she pop up at the woman yard. So some of you only look on one side of the story, one side of the Cinti. And then you come now and try to put you out there like the woman is this type of individual. The worst smarty pan planet Earth. Who feels it, knows it, or not in the woman shows. So Uno can't speak. Anyways, as soon news time now, so me I go cut this here and go listen to the news. For them have a saying fi say common sense not too common at all. Common sense not too common. Anyway, my loves are news time, so me I go watch like news. Uno here, I hope you watch the news too. Welcome to Foreign Good Again News TV. This is Mauta Masiliza with your headlines for today. Baker woman upper foreign proved that she not too right it after all. She also proved to we say in order to promote her business, she have to use Dr. Gold name to promote it. A few days ago, a woman left all the way from foreign and landed up at Dr. Gold yard. Based on a lot of things going around on social media with the people them when I like Dr. Go, she immediately became suspicious of the woman and proceed to start asking her a lot of questions which the answers them never add up. During the question and answer session, a lady from up into England named Tammy Faye called and advised her to call the Pow Pow now. Upon the arrival of the Popo, they seek advice from the bigger heads who instructed them what to do. They immediately put her into the jeep, then they drove away. We will keep you posted as soon as information reach the news desk on her whereabouts.
It's now time for Moments with At Gal Monchi.
Hey, move out my way. Yeah, man, you know what all at Galmonche, what all at Galmonche, news reporter, them up on my feelings, I'm gonna end no bagalang talking this evening because I'll know you're gonna come true from my news reporter lady, I'll know. But still I have sleepless nights, but boy, you're not gonna boy my contacts. But still I have sleepless nights, but boy, you're not putting a word for me, you're not putting a word for me, so I'm up on my feelings, you understand my news reporter lady, I'm up on my feelings, but all I can say is the woman dog town, she have the people them confused. She have them in a state of confusion. One minute them come out and say the girl that they are foreign, and another minute them come out and congratulate the girl. Them confused. The woman just confuse them so. Them just strong and allow the one like a woman just a buff and baff them a galang so just a buff and baff them a galang so. And the one that the baker woman she don't know whether she for baker, she don't know whether or not she for baker. She confused too because she don't know where she want for those. She don't know if she want bake or she want sell clothes or she want to go to travel blog. She don't know where for those. She confused too. Because all of a sudden, what's the pudding pods all about the place? Huh? She just confused them, sir. Yeah, she just have the whole of them around up and down, around the place like a Ferris wheel. Them don't know if them the here, them don't know if them the there, or them don't know if them the everywhere, them just confused. Come on, and then them say them face the panther pie reporter lady. Them face the panther pie, you know, reporter lady. Them face the panther pie. Hey, news reporter lady between me and you, between me and your reporter lady. Must say, you see the blog of them over YouTube. Bad to bad reporter lady, bad to bad. You see the blog of them over YouTube. If them not give them like a noise, or like a acknowledgement, nobody no remember them. Nobody no remember them. Nobody no talk about them. I them blog of them. I give them like a relevance. Them for thank the blogger people, them for thank them reporter lady, them for thank the blogger people, them because nobody don't know them. You realize I just said that like a segment here, people talk about them. If you go out there, you don't hear nobody talk about them. Talk to them that have no relevance. Reporter lady, none whatsoever. If you don't believe me, reporter lady, if you don't believe me, make all of the blogger on the side say, all right, them are going to come together and talk about none of them. And you will see what galang. Everybody just come together and say and mention nothing about them. And look how fast them drop off of the radar. Just look how fast all of them gonna drop off of the radar. News reporter lady. That are the reason, yes, news reporter lady. That are the reason why them have to use the lady on her tongue. You understand them use her as bait because them know so once them come out and speak against her, then the blogger them are gonna rush them. Yeah. The blogger them are gonna rush them and so them are gonna get like a relevance. You understand? Especially to one in particular reporter lady. One in particular with Pat Gut. You ever Pat Gut? Yes. I believe people like when them drink cassava water, you know them people when them drink cassava water and they puff them gut. Yes, reporter lady, she may attack, especially to she. All in them intention reporter lady as the people love them. Nobody not love them. Nobody not love them because people don't watch them because them like them. People watch them because them love watching them making a fools of themselves. I don't watch people watch them because them love them reporter lady. Yeah, I report a little for my girl. What a way the little girl just land up in her parents. So what a way the little girl just land up in her parents. So I surprise everybody. We know say she not left in me, but whatever know when. Whatever know when. But I'm glad that she finally land up there. You understand? So she can, you know, do all like a thing and put two ends together, make two ends meet so she can contribute back down your side to all like a law school something. Yeah, report a lady. And shame them. You understand? I flame them and shame them. Anyways, report a lady as me tell someone open up my feelings. I'm another bag along talking. I leaving now. I'm going to leave you. I enjoy right. Yes, I'm not even gonna tell you bye. Report a lady. I'm not gonna tell you bye. You understand? I'm not gonna tell you bye because I have you up. Until you come true for me, then we be nice to you news reporter later. Until then, toodaloo. So there you have it, moments with Atgal Munchi. Thanks for tuning in to Farin Nagud Again News TV. Yeah, my love, so thank you for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember, if you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch the like button, show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Peace out. Enough love, enough respect. Big up on yourself. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Later.